What's up, y'all? Welcome back to a space for real talk, side hustles, and everything in between. Today, we're getting into how LGBTQ plus creators are turning platforms like FeetFinder into safe spaces for self-expression, visibility, and real income in 2025. If you're all about owning who you are and making it work for you, let's get into it. Here's the deal. In 2025, side hustles aren't just about making money. They're more about owning your story. For LGBTQ plus creators, platforms like FeetFinder aren't just content sites. They're powerful tools to help you express creativity, take up personal space, and to monetize on your own terms. I mean, we're seeing creators embrace their uniqueness and proving that mainstream isn't the only way to success. I want to talk about Sexy Foot Secret. Known for their expressive and androgynous foot content, their feed is a blend of lighting, textures, and vibes for a curated experience. It's not about being provocative, it's about being them. Now they have a steady following, custom requests, and a zine project focusing on gender, body autonomy, and self-expression. Their approach? Visibility with intention. And look, it's paying off. Now meet Adore Love, the lesbian couple showing us what a digital queer power couple looks like. They left the 9-to-5 grind behind, hitting the road and documenting their van life adventures. Their FeetFinder strategy? Weekly themed drops, cozy storytelling, and transparency. Their content is a blend of love, travel, and foot content, all blended together for a narrative that their followers can't get enough of. Okay, now here's where things take a turn. If you're on FeetFinder or thinking about it, you might wonder, do I have to look a certain way? Or is there even a place for me in this space? The answer is yes. Yes, 1,000 times yes. Authenticity and niche appeal are way more powerful than perfection. Creators are combining foot content with ASMR affirmations, mental health discussions, and personal stories about body image and healing. It's art, it's hustle, it's healing, and it's incredibly engaging. If you're LGBTQ plus or curious about FeetFinder, here are a few tips from successful creators. Know your niche. Playful, poetic, artistic. Lean into whatever's authentic for you. Protect your boundaries. Come on. Use pseudonyms. Watermark your content and take necessary breaks. Consistency over perfection. You don't need high-end equipment, just intentional and regular posts. Connect with your community. Collaborate with other creators and enhance visibility and your mutual growth. At its core, platforms like FeetFinder are about more than just financial gain. It's about value. How we view ourselves, how we claim space, how we show up authentically. In 2025, the LGBTQ plus community is demanding visibility, celebration, and compensation. It's more than just a trend, baby. It's a movement. So if you're a queer creator wondering if your content is too niche, remember, niche can be the next big thing. So go on, hit the like button, especially if this inspired you. And comment down below who your favorite LGBTQ plus creators are who are paving their own paths. Be bold, be visible, and be valuable. And remember, authenticity never goes out of style. So until next time, stay queer, stay curious, and keep on hustling.